Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting, where we go to various Goodwills and see what treasures we can find. I'm here today in Anaheim, California, in the front of the Goodwill, and I'm super excited to take you guys in there with me. And if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls and vlogs, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store because I'm super excited to see what they have today. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm starting off with a come on, we're coming out of the stroller with a cart, but look at this outdoor table. It's actually pretty cool. Oh, today's bag of the day. I have my Fendi with my Fendi Teen Witch charm on it. I am completely obsessed. And you know what? I don't need another outdoor table, so I don't really want to figure out how much it costs. So it's totally okay. But this is pretty cool because it can hold like a handbag and look really nice. Okay, how much is this? I think this might be from Ikea. Nothing has a price today. This console is only $9.99. I don't know how I missed this. This is epic. Oh, it's only $40. Oh, these are removable. I'm also kind of obsessing over this little table because I love the feet. They're like cloven, like a horse or something. And it's made in the Philippines, which is cool, my home country. I like the little leaves. This is so cute. It's only $25. I just love the legs so much. I don't even mind this. You can just fill that in easily. So cute. I'm looking at the stuff they just brought out on this cart. Calderon, $7.99. Hand sanitizer. Those pumpkins. This rooster is kind of cool. Or chicken, I should say. Wait, no, it's a rooster. See what furniture pieces they have today, because the front they killed it with their furniture pieces. They had some pretty cool ones, and they weren't like from Target or anything. They were all donations, which is really awesome. Oh, this is nice. Oh, what is this? Oh, it comes with that. This is $5.99. This is like amazing. This is really cool. Might grab this guy. It's like an interesting piece. This car is actually pretty nice too, but it's $10. Checking through the furniture pieces in case they have anything super duper cool. This is the Halfley console table from Target. Bunch of chairs. Queen bed thing. Another Project 62 piece. Oh, look at it. This bookcase is really nice. The Loring 4-shelf bookcase. I think this is I want to say it might be $50. Let's check out what I just found. There are these lettuce bowls, which match the matching tongs. And this. Like, so excited. Oh my gosh. Guys, I just noticed that one of them is chipped. I'm a little sad. But I mean, You don't really need the tongs, I guess. And they are $1.99 each. What if I just got one tong? Is that weird to only get one? Also, I'm like standing right next to this shoe section and they have these unicorn Converse shoes. They're so cute. I would never wear them because they're high tops. Look at how pretty this is. I love stuff like this. This is $5.99. I'm like kind of loving all this stuff at the moment. Oh my gosh, this weighs like 1 trillion pounds. I think this one's broken though. It's missing that one last piece right there. Originally 30 oil rag toilet tissue. Oh, you put toilet tissues in there. Cool. Okay, so, ooh, pumpkin. I felt like the leaves are glued on. Looking through the vases and the foliage and all that, this is actually kind of cool. Like the color is very cool. $12.99. Well, originally. I don't know how much they are now, but that's like very like Halloween-y, which is why I'm kind of like interested in it at the moment. I have like a lot of ideas that I want to do for Halloween, and it's just all a matter of being able to find all the stuff. I think these are magnolia flowers, right? And this is like an olive, which is cute. This is like nice for fall. $3.99. I was trying to look at this thing. Okay, I think I need 2 hands. Hold up. Okay, I actually have no clue what it's supposed to be, like wisteria. But I don't know. It looks a little crazy looking. This is like a imitation Roomba. This is pretty interesting looking. I have no clue what it is. It's probably for plants because it has like a drainage thing. It kind of looks like a bathtub. So like I honestly kind of like it. And I love the finish on it. $4. What's the color of it? Green. Okay, we're just gonna hold on to this and think about it. So I'm just gonna leave it right here with me. And we're gonna look and see what else we can find. Oh, that lettuce thing is still there, but it's broken. Oh, that's kind of pretty. Oh, this is pretty too. Look at that. Oh, check it out. I think these are real pieces. There's 2 of them. Yeah, definitely real, you can tell. This deer is kind of fabulous. Look at the like chubby horse. This is cool too. $7.99. Alright, see what else we have here. It kind of looks a little bare. I don't know, I always love hurricanes. This one is $17.99. Oh, but it's green, it's gonna be half off. This blue and white cat is actually really cute. Alright, we're looking through the dinner plates and stuff. Again, whenever I'm here, I always look for Pottery Barn, Williams-Sonoma, Crate and Barrel. This is like a Disney platter. Treasure Craft. Do you think this is vintage? This is actually really cute. There's a little flaw right there where it looks like it was damaged. $3.99. Here's a plate with like a... Did someone paint this themselves? I think they did. Oh, how cool. It's like a recipe bowl. Oh, recipe pasta set from Pottery Barn. Well, that one has a broken piece. Looks like there's 3 more right there. Those are cool, but not if there's only 3. These are kind of cool. These are the Olympic Games 1984. $1.99. There's 2 of them. I found the plate right there, $17.49 for one on eBay. These are $1.99 each. Should I get them? I'm gonna hold on to them. You guys, look at these glass bowls. They're really pretty. $2.99 each. I found the matching dinner plates too, $1.99. There's a lot of them also. I wonder where they're from. Alright. Looking through the dinnerware. Oh, this is really cute. I wonder if it used to have a lid. $4.99. Look at that. This is an elephant? What a cute little handle. I am looking through the mugs now, seeing if I can find anything cool. No, it's not anthropology. I collect like certain mugs, but can't go too crazy, so I only collect like certain ones. Otherwise I just have like a bajillion mugs, and I already do. Hey, found a Starbucks mug right here for 99 cents. This is one of those Christmas ones too. I think I might get this. I do like the Christmas holiday Starbucks mugs. Check it out, they got like some Bodum coffee makers. I think I forgot about the handbags because, you know, gotta look still. Oh, this is that Junior Drake bag that's been here for a hot second. Is it on sale yet? Guys, it is on sale. Should I buy it? I wonder. Maybe no. Maybe it's still enough. What is this guy? This is like a American Eagle, maybe? Not too sure. It's an Urban Expressions. Oh, it looks like that. It's like a fake Coach. This kind of feels like a good leather, is it? Oh no, it's a Dina and Ozzy. This is like pleather, right? Polyurethane. Yeah, they usually use pretty good like faux leathers because this actually feels pretty nice. How much is it? I see that has a purple tag, $8.99. Should I get it? Is this a cute design? I know a lot of you guys have been asking me to get like vegan leather bags. And this one's a pretty nice one. Okay, looking through the other side, I don't really spot too much. There's this Coach. Doesn't have a price. I think I saw this last time and it didn't have a price back then either. Oh wait, this is like a fake Coach. Do you see that right there? Like it says like something cross, like G cross. Just kidding. Okay, bamboozled again. I think I remember that last time too and I was still tricked. Anyway, let's head out. I don't think I see anything else. Alright you guys, just got back inside the car and let's go home. I'll show you guys what I want. Alright you guys, we are in the handbags and it looks like there's kind of a lot to choose from. I think they just brought out a lot of new bags. Check out this B. Makowski. Let's see. This one is $14, but I believe it's 25%. I'm just gonna like grab everything and then decide later on because